Hey tech lovers! Meet HUAWEI Watch GT Runner 2, the new watch with a super bright AMOLED display, 2 weeks long battery life. But is limitation of its third-party apps a deal breaker? Let's break it all down. Let's start with its almost weightless titanium design and display. The HUAWEI Watch GT Runner 2 feels like Huawei looked at runners and said, "You deserve a watch that weighs less than your race anxiety." It has a lightweight titanium design, a super bright AMOLED display, reliable GPS improvements, marathon-focused tools. Many users loved how comfortable it feels during long runs, with some saying it is so light that you almost forget you are wearing it, until it reminds you that your recovery score says maybe skip the third donut. A long battery life? Battery life is one of its biggest strengths. Huawei claims up to 14 days of normal use and around 32 hours of GPS tracking, which means it can survive your marathon training block far better than most smartwatches that start begging for a charger after 2 days. For runners, that is a dream. For procrastinators, it also means you can delay charging for so long that you forget where you left the charger in the first place. When it comes to the GPS system, the GPS has been upgraded with a new antenna design and better signal recovery, which is useful if your runs involve tunnels, tall buildings, or getting dramatically lost on purpose during a long run. Huawei also added marathon mode, recovery tracking, running power analysis, and AI-based coaching. Yeah, let's talk now about what could be as the negatives points on this watch. The biggest weakness is that it still feels more like a runner's watch than a true smartwatch. Third-party apps are limited, offline music support is restricted, and NFC payments are only available through Curve Pay in some regions. So yes, it can help you train for a marathon, but it may not help you buy a post-run coffee unless your cafe happens to love Curve Pay as much as Huawei does. GPS accuracy bit controversiality? Some users praised it, but others found it inconsistent in dense cities, mountain areas, or on complicated routes. Price is another challenge. At around €350 till $400, the Watch GT Runner 2 competes directly with strong alternatives from Garmin and Coros. Overall, the HUAWEI Watch GT Runner 2 is excellent for runners who want premium design, long battery life, and strong training tools. But if you want a full smartwatch experience with lots of apps, smoother payments, and perfect GPS every time, maybe skip it. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content.